Friends, welcome to our channel Sangeeta to Teach. Today in this video we are going to clear all the doubts that we have regarding this exam. What is UGC, what is NET, what is NTA? We come across a lot of words, right? We will come to a clear understanding what is this exam is all about, who are eligible to write this exam, and what are the different opportunities that an aspirant has when he clears the exam. So before I start this, let me give you a brief introduction about me. I'm Sangeeta. I have completed my MBA in HR, qualified UGC NET 3 times. I have an experience in corporate of 2 years, and the areas of interest are HR and training, and my motto is to learn and share the knowledge. And let's get into our today's topic. What is NTA UGC NET? UGC is a statutory body by an Indian government where it is under the Ministry of Human Resource Development. This body, UGC NET, is University Grants Commission. This will maintain the standards of the higher education. It will coordinate to maintain the standards of the higher education. It is just a statutory body that takes care of the higher education. Now, what is NET? NET is a national eligibility test. It is giving you an eligibility to become a professor, an assistant professor in a college or a university. It is a minimum requirement that you qualify NET to become a professor. Okay, so eligibility for college and university level lecturership and the award of JRF. Now this new term JRF. What is JRF? JRF is a junior research fellowship, which means you are going to do research, right? And it aims to minimum standards for the entrance of teaching professional and research. So this acts as a minimum criteria that if you pass this exam, you can become a professor. If you are able to clear an higher cutoff, then you can do a research, that is junior research fellowship. Coming to who conducts this exam, it is NTA, that is National Testing Agency. It will conduct the entrance exam, that is UGC NET, right? Okay, before going to the opportunities, let me talk about the eligibility. See, the eligibility here is any postgraduate, whoever it is, can apply based on his specialization that he has taken in the PG, right? If you have completed your MBA in marketing, then you can write marketing subject. There are different subjects. There are around 80 plus subjects that you have in UGC NET. There are 2 papers. The first paper is common for everybody. The second paper is your specialization, which contains 100 questions, and the first paper contains 50 questions. Total of 300 marks. So, okay, now let's look at the opportunities that you have when you qualify NET. See, only when you know the opportunities, then you feel like cracking this exam, right? So, okay. The opportunities are, the very first opportunity is PSU recruitment. It is public sector undertaking. There are different Navaratna companies that recruit people through UGC NET. The next one is the lecturership and assistant professor. The minimum criteria for this exam is to become a professor. That is, if you are really interested towards teaching, then you can go for this. And next one is JRF. If you are really interested to become a doctorate, if you really want to proceed your research, then JRF is an option for you. UGC job portal, where you can get your job. It is a portal where all the qualified candidates get registered, and if there is any vacancy regarding your subject, then you can get into that. Coming to the public sector undertaking, as I said they are, for example, if you are writing for HR, that is paper code 55, you will have PSU recruitments, HR management trainee, officers, executive trainee based on UGC NET scores. It is not just HR. You also have finance, if you also have marketing. There are different other subjects like ecology, sociology. The different subjects. Just go through what subject you are interested in, and you can have many other options, and there is a lot of scope where you can get into. So once you get your NET scores, if your score is better, and the people are shortlisted for the interview for this PSUs. So salary packages 6 lakhs to 12 lakhs. Sounds good, right? Yeah. Some of the list of PSUs are ONGC, the power system operation, Vizag Steel Plant, and even this year 2020 we have ONGC, Vizag Steel Plant, MOIL, Power Grid. Coal India is an exam that is conducted by Coal India itself, whereas it has a similar syllabus as that of UGC NET. So if you're preparing for UGC NET, you can write all other PSU exams as well. You know, Coal India, you can write Coal India, you can write NFL, that is National Fertilizers Limited, Cotton India. There are many things, you know. If you really are interested, please subscribe to our channel so that you can have notifications on any notification that comes in terms of HR. We would surely update on. The next option that you have is the lecturership and the assistant professor. So you can become a professor in a private college, deemed university, or a government college. The very first basic levels that you enter into a college or a university is an assistant professor. Next, you become an associate professor. Then you become a professor. The next stage is the senior professor, HOD, and dean. So this is the hierarchy where you grow. Coming to JRF. JRF is for 5 years. The PhD is planned for 5 years. The first 2 years, you get the fellowship of 25,000 plus HRA. The next 3 years, you get it for 28,000 plus HRA. And it has a 2 years validity for your regular PhD. That is, your net score is valid for 2 years to do a PhD. And post PhD, you can become a senior research fellowship. And later on, you can write your own books. You can become an author. Right? Sounds interesting. Okay, coming to the other job portals. The qualified candidates, as I said they need to register with the UGC NET portal. And yeah, this comes to an end. These are the different opportunities that people have in their hands when they qualify their UGC NET. And UGC NET is considered to be important if you are interested in teaching, and if you really want to get into PSUs, PSU, that is public sector undertaking, then this will be a golden chance for you. And I hope the preparation is going well. Please do subscribe and like and share so that you get more videos from our channel. Thank you.